Get ready to discover some of the coolest tools and gadgets that can make your life easier and more fun. From high-tech innovations to clever everyday solutions, these products are designed to boost efficiency, convenience, and creativity. Whether you're a tech lover, a DIY enthusiast, or just curious about the latest gear, this video has something for you. Stay tuned for some amazing finds. Marshalltown Lift Lender. People often struggle with carrying bulky yet not excessively heavy items such as stepladders, gas tanks, or chipboard on their own. That is where the Lift Lender hook comes in, a simple yet patented solution designed to make transportation easier while reducing the risk of injury. This lightweight yet sturdy plastic tool weighs less than 300 grams and offers more than just lifting assistance. It proves useful for various household tasks, such as lifting furniture for cleaning or handling gutter maintenance. While it is an excellent aid for builders, it is also a practical addition to any home toolkit. With a price of just $20, the Lift Lender is an affordable and valuable investment for anyone looking to make lifting and carrying tasks more manageable. Ryobi Bolt Cutter. The Japanese company Ryobi has introduced a battery-powered bolt cutter designed to replace traditional manual versions. This innovative tool runs on 18-volt 1+ batteries, which are compatible with over 280 Ryobi tools, making it a versatile addition to any toolkit. With the ability to deliver up to 200 cuts on a single charge, it handles materials with diameters of up to 10 millimeters effortlessly. The design prioritizes precision, offering a clear view of the cutting zone, while separate forward and reverse buttons enhance control and ease of use. Considering its capabilities, the Ryobi bolt cutter comes at an impressive price of just $130, making it a compelling investment for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. What if drilling tasks could be completed in minutes instead of hours? That is exactly what the creators of the Rapidrill system believe. The secret lies in its uniquely designed frame, which securely holds the drill, making the process both more comfortable and efficient. With approximately 450 kilograms of added leverage, this system allows users to drill with significantly less effort. Another major advantage is the extended lifespan of drill bits. Thanks to the optimal working angle, wear and tear are minimized, making it a cost-effective solution in the long run. Whether you are a car mechanic, metal worker, or another professional needing precise and powerful drilling, this patented system is built to enhance productivity. The Rapidrill is available for $660, and to ensure compatibility, a list of supported drills can be found on the official website. Hooyman Manual Spreader. This spreader proves its worth throughout the year. In spring, it helps distribute seeds efficiently. During summer, it ensures even fertilizer coverage, and in winter, it becomes essential for spreading salt on icy surfaces. The creators have even patented a specialized disc that provides a spreading range of 6 meters, making it a reliable tool for various tasks. Comfort has also been a key focus in its design. Even when fully loaded with 16 kilograms, the adjustable strap system minimizes strain, making it easy to carry and use. The manual version is priced at $150 United States dollars. However, if you prefer to skip the effort of cranking, a battery-powered version is available for $250, offering an extended range of up to 8 meters. Werner Ladder. Werner Co. stands as a global leader in manufacturing ladders and equipment designed for working at heights. The company asserts that its ladders are used more frequently on construction sites than all other brands combined. Among its impressive lineup, the Aero series stands out. These fiberglass ladders are designed to be exceptionally lightweight without sacrificing durability. In fact, they are 25% lighter than standard ladders while maintaining the same level of reliability. The 5-meter variant weighs only 14 kilograms, yet supports loads of up to 170 kilograms. Models are available in lengths of up to 10 meters, catering to various professional needs. The ladders are secured with the unique box lock technology and feature specialized grips, including cable grips, for added safety. Due to their non-conductive properties, They are particularly essential for electricians. The cost of a 5-meter ladder is $470, making it a worthwhile investment for those who prioritize safety and efficiency. Raizi EasiSeam. A standard porcelain tile covering approximately 1 square meter with a thickness of 9 millimeters typically weighs around 19 to 20 kilograms. While this is already substantial, even heavier options, such as granite, pose an even greater challenge during installation. That is where the Raizi EasiSeam system steps in, offering a reliable solution for leveling and caulking tasks. This advanced suction cup and frame system ensures precision, even on rough surfaces, and can automatically manage pressure when required. The suction cups can also be detached and used separately, providing greater flexibility for various applications. Impressively, a single Nemo Grabo suction cup can support up to 170 kilograms of ceramic tile or glass, making it a powerful tool for professionals. Considering its capabilities, the system's price of $1,000 is a worthwhile investment for those looking to simplify heavy-duty tile and stone installations. Metabo. The German company, Metabo, has redefined the job site compressor with an innovative design that sets new standards in performance and convenience. This powerful unit reaches a maximum pressure of 200 pounds per square inch, which is nearly 14 atmospheres, making it one of the top performers in its category. It is designed to simultaneously accommodate 2 nail guns, ensuring efficiency on the job site. Maintenance is hassle-free, thanks to its oil-free design, and portability is another strong point. Weighing just 19 kilograms, it is 22% lighter than competing models, making it easier to transport and handle. The engineering excellence behind this compressor has not gone unnoticed. Metabo's creation earned the prestigious Pro Tools Innovation Award in 2020 and was recognized by Pro Tools Review as the best value for money option in its class. With a price hovering around $200, Metabo the Tank delivers exceptional power, reliability, and convenience, making it a solid choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. AlphaWorks ULV Fogger. Need to disinfect an airport? No problem. Managing humidity in a guitar factory? Easy. Treating plants in greenhouses? A breeze. This ultra-low volume fogger is designed for versatility, making it a valuable tool across multiple industries. With a price of $270 United States dollars, it is not just a purchase, it is an investment in efficiency and innovation. One of its standout features is the ability to fine-tune droplet sizes to just 50 microns, roughly the width of 2 human hairs. It delivers an impressive flow rate of up to 38 liters per hour, ensuring extensive coverage with minimal effort. A single refill allows you to treat up to 2,600 square meters, making it a powerful choice for large-scale applications. Despite its capabilities, this fogger is lightweight, weighing only 4 kilograms. Designed for ease of use, it can be carried like a backpack, allowing for comfortable and efficient operation in any setting. KapHammer. Designed for both left-handed and right-handed users, the KapHammer stands out with its unique, ergonomic design. Weighing only 1.4 kilograms, it is easy to operate with a single hand, making it a convenient tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. This tool excels in tasks involving breather membranes, roofing felt, and tar paper, ensuring efficient and precise fastening. With a staple capacity of 160 pieces at 10 millimeters, it is suitable for both home and business applications. Additionally, the KapHammer features patented plastic covers that help prevent potential damage to delicate materials, adding an extra layer of protection during use. Benning PV1. The U.S. state of California recently introduced a groundbreaking regulation requiring all new residential construction to include solar photovoltaic systems. This rule applies to single-family homes, condominiums, and apartment buildings under 3 stories high. With global solar energy production increasing by 24% last year, similar regulations are expected to emerge in other countries, further driving demand for solar-related tools. That is where the Benning PV1 comes in, a specialized tester designed for photovoltaic systems that simplifies the testing process to just seconds. The device automates critical tests, including insulation resistance, short circuit current, and other essential performance parameters, ensuring solar installations meet safety and efficiency standards. With a price of approximately $1,700, this advanced tool is an essential investment for solar technicians and professionals working in the rapidly expanding renewable energy sector. Matco Fluid Evacuator. Car owners know that bleeding brakes can be a challenging task, often requiring two people, one to press the pedal while the other handles the fluid. This process is necessary whenever air enters the system, whether after a brake fluid change or a repair. But what if you do not have a helper and prefer to avoid a trip to the repair shop? That is where the Matco Fluid Evacuator comes in. This vacuum-powered tool simplifies the process, making it easy to handle brake fluid changes alone. Designed for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals, it includes a 2-meter hose for extended reach, a shutoff valve to prevent leaks, and a mini cap that ensures quick and mess-free fluid disposal. With a price of around $300, this fluid evacuator is a practical and reliable investment for anyone looking to streamline vehicle maintenance. Evolution Cordless Torchlight. Finally, here is a versatile work torch that proves useful in a variety of settings, from your personal workshop to a campsite. Designed for convenience, it features 2 brightness levels and a 90-degree adjustable, pivoting head, ensuring you get the right angle of illumination for any task. With a runtime of 5 hours on a single charge, this torch delivers reliable performance. A standout feature is its quick charge capability. In just 30 minutes, the battery is fully powered up and ready to go. Weighing approximately 350 grams and equipped with a couple of lanyards, it can be easily hung on a wall or attached to a belt for hands-free use. At a price of just $50, the Evolution Cordless Torchlight is an affordable and practical addition to any toolkit.